So the most common mistake that organizations make when introducing AI to the decision-making process is to fail to understand that it's a key part of what I call the information topography, how information flows through the organization. And what AI does, particularly generative AI, is it gives all employees direct access to the fast stream of that information topography. It's not an independent decision maker, it's something that can empower their employees. When looking at our future leaders, the MBA students of today, one thing I'm so keen that they bear in mind is never to lose the human aspect of decision making. AI is incredibly powerful, but it does not have social authorship. It's not part of our society. So while our decisions can always be enhanced by working with AI, we have to own our own decisions and stand up for them. So we must never lose track of the information that is feeding those decisions and always be supported by AI rather than owned by AI.